first of all, congratulations on another victory. One more win till title. What are your thoughts? How are you feeling about it?
Man, we're just excited for this opportunity. We know, we've been talking about this since the beginning of the year. We have a chance to be champions, and we don't take that lightly. So tomorrow we'll have a good day of prep, and then we'll be ready to protect our house and become champions on Thursday.
The whole team played well tonight. How satisfied are you with it?
It's good, man. We prepared. We know it's at stake. We know how important this game was. Our fans are amazing. Their support and their energy that they give every single game that we come out and play is something that we knew we were going to have tonight. And we just continue to battle and feed off the energy that they were giving us.
During the whole season, you as a team, whole team, had some problems with some uncertainty at the beginning. You gave opponent time to play and then came back. But tonight you were strongest when it's most important. How satisfied are you with that?
It's good, man. Good teams make adjustments, and that's something that we've been able to do all year and just continue to get better. The form that we're in now is the best all year, and it's exciting to show that. No, it's good. It's all right. And we're just excited, man, for this opportunity. I can't wait to be in a position to play a game for a championship. To be my first professional one. Get coach another one, all our guys at championship. So it'll be an amazing opportunity, and we'll just prep tomorrow and be ready to protect the house.
Is that special hairstyle for
champions? No, I just didn't have enough hair to get braided yet. Now I got enough, so I got the braids back. That's all good.
If you win next game, that will be our first title.
Yeah, my first professional championship. Yeah.
How will you celebrate? What will you do?
Just be with the guys, man. We're gonna have a great time, and then we're gonna got a quick turnaround, with the Serbian league. So right now we're just focused on this next game ahead and just getting that W. We'll celebrate however we celebrate. So.
Many players give various promises. Will you cut your hair or maybe your beard?
Nah, I'm good. Maybe the Serbian guys can do that, but I'm good though. So appreciate it.
Thank you.